Hello everybody, Suman Pachigulla here, and today we are going to understand about why few people struggle in Boolean search and why people get stuck and how you could overcome it. So before you get into how you could overcome, first we need to understand why the struggle comes in, alright? You see, Boolean search string is the primary for any recruiter to be successful in this career. So let's understand why exactly it really happens. Is it easy? Yes, it is easy. Is it difficult? Yes, it is difficult in the absence of the real understanding of how to use it. Now, if you are having issues or concerns regarding the sourcing part, meaning building a string, no need to worry. That is how your learning starts. And facing problems for something in your workplace doesn't have to be a bigger problem for you. Only you got to know that how you can find a solution for that. All right. So this is what my suggestion is. Every recruiter goes through it, and if you're going through it, do not blame yourself and do not feel bad. And every problem has a solution. And let's understand that how and why it happens. All right. Let's go in and understand about Boolean search strings. Not exactly like a training, but let's find the problems where it could be. All right. And before I take you to other things, I want you to focus on the outcome, meaning Boolean outcome. So if someone doesn't have a proper understanding of Boolean search, then it will result to these things. What are these? If you are not confident on building Boolean search string, and you may have confusion about what you are getting, meaning you will have confusion on the result. It will lead to no proper submissions, and that will get into the stress and your mental and physical health, demotivation, and no confidence at work. Why? Because you need to use your same skills every day, and you know that is the only skill that can get you to the productivity that you are expecting. Now when you are not aware of what is the proper way of using these Boolean search string and why it is not working for you, it is not that you do not know, but you should know that why it is not working for you. That causes to get into the less confidence at what work. Self-doubt comes in. Am I not good enough? Is it not my strengths? Should I continue in this industry? That so many thoughts come into mind, and I have been through it. So many recruiters go through this kind of situation, so don't worry about it. Let's go understand how you could mitigate it. Then you might be feeling, what I should do now? I'm feeling stuck now. I do not know what to do because I do not have a submission. It's a half day gone. I have requirements are piling up. Now where to go and what to do? Now you might be thinking these portals are not able to give me more submissions and nothing. Yes, that could be the reason that you may not able to find the right talent, or the talent is not available, or that could be other reason. So before you blame the portals or anything else, let's ask the question, am I good in understanding writing Boolean strings? All right. So before you get into writing Boolean strings, you need to understand the Boolean operators, right? The Boolean operators are that you are currently using, the and, or, not, or anything else, those things. So now, once you got to understand that what are the operators required, then you need to understand how to use it, meaning the Boolean operators are the words, right, that has been used to query certain information from the database. So it is as people write SQL queries, retrieve data from the database, the developers, we recruiter use Boolean search string using these operators as a query statement to pull the data that we want to see from the resume database. Clear? Now we got to understand how to use the tools, meaning the operators, how to use, not what to use, but how to use it. For example, you are a chef that you're cooking, you need to know what is the meaning of using which tool, okay, how they work, meaning spoon, peeler, knife, this is what been used in cooking. But you should not be looking for spoon, pillar and knife, but you should know that how that will help to achieve some dish. Got it? And again, what will be the outcome of using the tool? Exactly. We as a recruiter should not be looking for only tools, but we need to understand that what will be the outcome of using the tool for what the client is looking for. Now, before you use the tool, you need to imagine the outcome. Clear? You got to imagine the outcome before using the tool, meaning tool is the keyword. Boolean operators are primarily which will help it retrieve it from the database. Now, if you do not know why I'm using what I'm using, it is obvious that you get confused. And then what is that it is required? Are you using proper keywords so that the tool will work properly? All right, this is if we keep Boolean search in the middle. All right, let me minimize it a little bit so that you could understand. I hope you understood the outcome part. Right now, here if you see here, this is after you create a Boolean search string, we should be focusing on this part. Okay, now let me take it here. So this is the outcome driven after you create a Boolean search. Now before that, what is required? Are you using proper keywords so that the tool will work properly? This is what you need to understand. Do you have this clarity? All and good. If you do not have a clarity that why you are using a keyword and what is the outcome it may have once you use it, then you have failed in the first level. And that is where it starts, right? It's first you miss something about picking the keyword, everything screws up. Before you pick a keyword, what is that required? Are you able to find the keywords that can help the tool to bring the outcome? Meaning, do you know, are you able to find the keywords, right, from the job description? And do you think these tools, these Boolean operators can help you to bring the outcome from the keywords that you are using? That you need to understand. Whatever you are using the words as keywords, now listen it once again, okay? What is the keyword, whatever the words or whatever the phrases that you are using as a keyword, do you think that it is going to hit most and your operators could able to get that outcome? You need to understand that. Then before you get into the keywords, finding the keywords, right, this is, are you using it properly? Are you finding it properly? And before that, what is that you should find? What is the keyword? That is the first question. Right? Before you build a search string, there are 3 more things that you need to understand and a few more, that what is the outcome and what is the need. Meaning, what is the outcome that someone is looking for? What is the need of the requirement? What is the role? What is that we are expecting? What is the client is expecting from the individual? First, you need to understand that. And once you understand it, right? Meaning, are you looking for skills and trying to match the skills to skill, or you are trying to get the outcome and match it with the outcome it is needed? Now this is very powerful, people, right? Let me rephrase it once again. Let me get it to you once again. Are you looking for, as a recruiter, are you looking for skills from the job description and trying to match skill to skill from the outcome to what you're looking for in the JD, or you are trying to get the outcome, meaning you are trying to get the outcome from the results and match it with the outcome it is needed? So here the whole question is, before you understand a job requirement, are you someone who is able to understand the need and its outcome before you go and jump for looking something else, right? So this is how you got to understand a requirement. And if you are currently facing trouble or you have concerns about Boolean search and how you understand properly so that you avoid all your doubts about how you can build a proper string, put that in the comment box. And I would look forward to you so that we could arrange a call and you could start learning it, all right? Thank you so much. This is Suman Pachigulla. And I'm on a mission to impact 5 million lives through Recruiter. So don't worry, just try to identify what is the skill you need to build and spend time, efforts, and money. That's it. Those skills will come automatically. All right. Take care and God bless you, people. And I love you, people.